Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial I will tell you very basic things, which is I will open this view controller on click of this button. Okay, so the title of this video is that how to open another view controller from first view controller programmatically, okay, without any storyboard interaction. So let's begin with development and understand the deep about it. So guys, here we have two view controller. One is first view controller, another is second view controller. Okay, so I will open this view controller on click of this button. So open your first view controller script. Here this is the my button click event. Okay, and here you have to add this line, add target. Now at the very first we will take the reference of our storyboard. Okay, so let story equals UI storyboard, and here we will give the name of the storyboard, which is main, and bundle is nil. Okay, now we will find the controller from the storyboard. So let controller equals UI story dot instantiate view controller with string. Here we have to give the identifier of our view controller, and as we have to parse also second view controller. So what is the identifier of my view controller? Open your storyboard, select the destination controller. Here click on the navigation, open class identifier. So this is the identifier of a storyboard. I give same class name equals my storyboard. Okay, so it will not be confusable. So from here I will open my second view controller. Now how I can open that? So self, first method I'm telling you, self dot present view controller. Here I will pass my controller animation true, yes. Compilation means after opening this view controller, if you would like to do something, then you can do in completion. Okay, but here I'll give nil because I'm not going to perform any action on that. Okay, so build and run, click. So here you can see this view controller has been appeared. Okay, so this is the first method. Second method, I will open this view controller with the navigation. Okay, so I will create the separate method for that, so it will be easy for you to understand. I'll copy and paste the complete code here, rearrange, and I'll give tap on button for navigation. Okay, I will keep remain same the above method, and I will change the click event action. Okay, now for opening as a navigation controller, what I have to do? First of all, I have to take the navigation controller. So let navigation controller equals UI navigation controller, and this is new navigation controller. Here I'll give my root view controller, which is controller. Okay, now self dot view dot add subview as my navigation controller dot view. Second thing, self dot add child, which is the child controller, my navigation controller. Now navigation dot did move, and here I'll pass self. Okay, now we can try with second method, click, and here you can see this is opening with navigation controller. Okay, in second tutorial I will tell you how you can change the navigation color. Okay, and how you can give the title here. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand the complete scenario, how you can open your view controller on button click without navigation and with navigation. And one more thing I would like to tell you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, because on my YouTube channel you will find the lots of video related to Swift development, like what is the MVV, M standard for the application development, how you can use user default, UI collection view, scroller button, UI search bar, country picker, OTP screen, onboarding screen, login screen, and too much things you will understand. So please keep subscribing and keep watching. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.